Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Diablos Touch is probably one of the most innovative products I've come across this year. It's designed to revolutionize the way you interact with your devices, offering a seamless and intuitive experience. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features, exploring its capabilities and assessing whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover if Diablos Touch is the game changer you've been waiting for. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. This kit includes 6 16 fluid ounces bottles of essential car care chemicals. It has everything you need to keep your car looking its best. It's a comprehensive solution for car cleaning and detailing. Honeydew Snow Foam creates thick, cleansing bubbles. It is effective with a mitt and bucket, or with a foam gun or cannon. This will help you get a clean car. Butter Wet Wax provides an unmatched shine and a deep, wet finish. It is made with natural carnauba, polymers, and resins. Your car's paint will really pop with this wax. Diablo Wheel Cleaner is safe for all wheels and ready to use. It easily removes brake dust, dirt, and grime. This will make your wheels look great again. Signature Series Glass Cleaner cuts through grime, grease, and dirt. It delivers a streak-free finish. This will make your windows crystal clear. Silk Shine Protectant is a sprayable dressing for interior and exterior surfaces. It works on vinyl, rubber, plastics, and tires. It will leave them looking new. Speed Wipe is a quick detail spray that enhances gloss. It is designed to deliver a mirror shine in minutes. Use it to give your car a quick touch-up. What we like. This kit has everything you need to make your car shine. It includes a variety of products for washing, waxing, and detailing. If you're looking for a one-stop solution for car care, this is the perfect choice. It will keep your car looking its best. What people say. The foam cannon is the heart of the kit. It hooks up to an ordinary garden hose and quickly applies a generous layer of wash foam onto your car. The included car wash works great and smells fantastic to boot. The cleaning chemicals are top-notch and leave my car looking amazing. The Butter Wet Wax, in particular, gives a fantastic shine. Number 4. Torch Paste, Original Wood Burning Paste. Introducing Torch Paste, the innovative wood-burning solution. This unique paste allows you to effortlessly transfer designs onto various surfaces like wood, canvas, and denim. It's perfect for crafting beautiful and intricate designs. Torch Paste is specially formulated to prevent bleeding under stencils. This ensures clean and accurate designs every time. The application is simple and quick, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced crafters. First, apply your stencil to the surface. Then, use a squeegee to spread a thin layer of the paste. Finally, remove the stencil and apply heat to reveal your design. It's that easy. With Torch Paste, the possibilities are endless. Use it on wood, canvas, denim, and more to create personalized items. Design signs, coasters, serving trays, and even customize clothing with ease. Torch Paste is proudly made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. It complies with safety standards and comes in a 3-ounce jar, providing enough paste for numerous projects. This non-toxic formula ensures a safe crafting experience. Invented by and in 2020, Torch Paste was born out of a passion for crafting and wanted to combine her love for stencils with wood burning. She developed this paste to capture intricate details, and now you can too. What we like. This wood burning paste makes it easy to create beautiful designs on various materials. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. If you like to personalize items or create unique gifts, it's a great option. It allows you to bring your creative visions to life with ease. What people say. Works great for wood-burning projects. Easy to create different shades of burned wood. Easy to use and love the results. Number 3. SteelSeries Aerox 5 Wireless Gaming Mouse. Introducing the SteelSeries Aerox 5 Wireless Gaming Mouse. This mouse is designed for gamers who demand the best performance and features. It's packed with everything you need to dominate the competition. The Aerox 5 Wireless features stunning 3-zone Prism Sync RGB lighting. It shines in 16.8 million configurable colors. Customize it to match your style and setup. This mouse is ultra lightweight, weighing in at only 74 g. The holy shell design reduces weight for effortless, fast gameplay. You'll be able to move it quickly and precisely. The Aerox 5 wireless is protected by aqua barrier technology. The mouse interiors are shielded from water splashes, dust, and dirt. It's rated IP54 for added durability. It features 9 programmable buttons for natural comfort. The buttons are fully customizable, including a side panel and an up-down flick switch. You can set up the controls exactly how you want them. Enjoy an extensive 180-hour battery life. It's enabled by lag-free Quantum 2.0 wireless technology with 2.4 GHz for gaming and Bluetooth 5.0 connection. This mouse will outlast you. The mouse uses golden micro IP54 switches. These switches last longer than a lifetime for crispy clicks, with added dust and water resistance. You'll feel the difference with every click. What we like. This gaming mouse offers a perfect combination of performance and comfort. It's designed to be lightweight and responsive, with customizable buttons to suit your gaming style. If you are a gamer looking for a competitive edge, this mouse will help you dominate the competition. It will enhance your gaming experience with its precision and features. What people say. The Diablos Touch is a great product. The touch screen is very responsive and easy to use. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 2. Kuryakyn 7599 Longhorn Highway Pegs. These pegs offer a full 360 degrees of adjustment, allowing you to find the perfect position for your feet. It provides up to 612 inches of adjustment, ensuring a comfortable ride. The 314-inch arms extend the reach, giving you more options. This feature makes it easy to customize the fit to your specific needs. Made with durable aluminum and a premium gloss black finish, this product is built to last. The EPDM rubber inserts provide excellent traction and vibration dampening. The package includes all the necessary components for easy installation. While tools are not included, the process is straightforward with a set of hex wrenches, combination wrenches, or a socket set and ratchet. These pegs are designed to fit a variety of motorcycles. They are compatible with 114-inch engine guards or tubing, making them a versatile choice. What we like. These highway pegs provide a comfortable and customizable riding experience. They are built to last and easy to install on your motorcycle. If you have a long ride ahead and want to improve your comfort, these pegs are a great addition. They will allow you to adjust your foot position for a more relaxed ride. What people say. Diablos Touch is a great product. The touch screen is very responsive. The battery life is excellent. Number 1. Wood Burning Gel, Effortless Creations. Are you a craft enthusiast? This product is designed to help you transform wood into art with ease. It's perfect for Cricut screen printing and more. This innovative gel makes wood burning simple and fun. It allows you to create stunning designs without the hassle. It is a must-have for any crafting project. This product is compatible with various crafting techniques. It enhances your creative possibilities, making your project stand out. Try it today and see the difference it makes. The product is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. It simplifies the wood-burning process, allowing you to focus on your creativity. Get ready to enjoy crafting like never before. With this product, the possibilities are endless. It empowers you to bring your artistic visions to life. Let your imagination run wild and create something amazing. What we like. This wood-burning gel simplifies the process of creating art on wood. It's designed for ease of use, making it accessible to crafters of all skill levels. If you're looking for a simple way to add unique designs to your projects, it's a great choice. It will help you turn ordinary wood into beautiful works of art. What people say. Diablos went on less chunky than the other brand. I could also see what I was painting on better even though Torch is pretty orange out of the container. I liked having more control over the burn with Diablos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.